Hello traders, once again welcome to Wesley Forest. If this is your first time on this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you're gonna be notified and then you come to watch it, guys. I upload content as much as possible to help a lot of traders. I do my best to see how I can help traders. Alright, guys, I just hit 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel in less than a month. I want to say I'm really grateful to everybody. I'm really grateful to you for your support, for your love, for your care, for every single thing. I'm really grateful. I'm so happy, and I want to really say thank you for everything. And for hitting 100 subscribers on my YouTube now, I have a little offer. I just have something little for everybody. Okay, guys, the crusher indicator. I'm gonna send it on my Telegram channel for free, guys. I'm gonna just send it. So if you need the indicator, you didn't have it before, then the only thing you're gonna need to do is to check my Telegram channel after this video. Is to check my Telegram channel. The link is gonna be in the description box below. All you need to do is just join, subscribe, check the file section, and then you're gonna see it, guys. Then you can download it, add it to your charts, and then practice. Then start to make the market, guys. Alright, so I just want to do a little review on how to use the caution indicator, guys. You can see that the caution indicator is profitable. You just need to be patient enough to know how to use it. So straight to this episode, you just how to find entry and exit. How to find entry and exit using the caution indicator. Alright, so if you check my videos, you will see that I've done a lot of videos, like a couple of them showing how to use the indicator. So if you haven't actually seen any, then you will need to check back my videos and then you're gonna see some videos about it. Alright, guys, so concerning this indicator now, what did I say we're gonna be looking for when trading boom? This is our trend dashboard over here. You can see this is trend dashboard. So we are gonna be trading boom when it's on a downtrend, and then we are gonna be buying crash when it's on an uptrend. So selling boom when it's on an uptrend is not a good idea, and buying crash when it's on a downtrend is not a good idea. So what we're going to be doing here now is we're going to look at our dashboard because it tells us the trend of the market. On the 1 minute time frame, you can see it's presently showing a downtrend. On the 5 minutes, it's presently showing a downtrend. But on the 15 minutes, we have an uptrend. So now that we have a downtrend on the 1 minute and the 5 minutes, is it actually a good opportunity for us to scalp when we see a signal from the histogram? Yes, it is. So provided our trend dashboard is giving us a downtrend for the boom pairs, it's giving us a downtrend on at least the 1 minute and the 5 minutes, but burst when it is on also on the 15 minutes. So seeing this downtrend on these three time frames, and then we get a green signal from the caution indicator, what do? We're just gonna scalp 5 candles, guys. You can see from here now, we could scalp 5 candles. We scalp 5 candles. Presently, from here, you can see that the market started going on an uptrend. From this place, actually, the market was on an uptrend. From here, was on an uptrend. So, selling boom during this period wasn't going to be a good idea at all. Alright, so for added confirmation, we're going to add a pib magnet. Maybe I should just do that now. We're going to add a pib magnet and also the support and resistance indicator. Actually, anybody that bought the indicator do get all these indicators attached to it. So we're just gonna add the pip magnet. Give me some minutes. No. Okay, here is the pip magnet. You can decide to change the colors. You just swap the colors. Oh no, what is this? Alright. You just swap the colors from green, you put red on green and then green on red. But if you want to use it like this, it's not so bad. What we're gonna be doing on boom is that When we see a downtrend on the dashboard, we check our histogram, then we wait for a green go ahead signal on our histogram. That is somewhere here. Wait for a green go ahead, and then we go down to our peak magnet, and then we wait for the peak magnet to give us a red. That is for boom. But if you don't really want to get confused, you can easily change the green color to the red color for the peak magnet. You can just swap the color so it gives you a green like that. Understand? So provided that here we have a green go ahead on the histogram, and then we have a red here on the peak magnet. You just enter the market and then we scalp for 5 candles. You can see that on this present candle here, guys, we have a green on the histogram and a green on the peak magnet. So we are not going to enter on this candle. We are going to wait to make sure that the peak magnet gives us a red. So our entry is going to be on this second candle for added confirmation. You can see, so it is safer this way, guys. It is safer. And then make sure you are not buying close to support and selling close to resistance. Alright, so I think that is enough review. I'm just going to go over to how to trade breakout. I promised to do the video on a PC, how to trade breakout on boom and crash. How to trade breakout, guys. Alright, so let's look for areas in which the market has been in consolidation, because that is the first thing we look for when we want to trade breakout. Alright, so you can see that this is boom 500, the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, if you zoom in now, you're going to see that this market has been consolidating around here. That ain't looking nice. Let me just use the horizontal line. You can see that the market has been consolidating. We're expecting this resistance here and a support here. You can see it. So the market has been ranging, consolidating, just going up and down, up and down, up and down, moving it. Presently, this market here is choppy. So we ain't gonna trade choppy markets. We're just gonna wait for a breakout. So you're gonna see that this market broke out on this candle here, guys. On this candle, the market broke out on this candle, and then now this is a perfect candle because the candle closed below the support, below the horizontal line. So our entry is going to be on this next candle, guys. You can see the candle turned red. That's where our entry is going to be. Most times I prefer to trade breakouts in direction of the trend. What I mean is that this market has been on an uptrend. So I'm going to like to trade the breakout when it continues the uptrend. But the only time I will maybe trade in the opposite direction of the trend is if the market is consolidating at resistance or at support. Now that is more like the advanced part of it, but nothing much there. You just trade the inverse when you see the market is at resistance. Then you know that, oh yeah, this market is somehow respecting the resistance or the support level. Alright, so you can see that this market now, or this candle, closed below the horizontal line, showing us that the market is trying to break out. So on seeing this break out now, we're going to take an entry on this next candle here. So you can see that, okay, this is boom. You can see that the market spiked up a little and then fell down massively. Just spiked up a little, guys. Then it fell massively. You can see the massive fall. Now this trade will have been for weeks because this is a 4-hour candle. Not really weeks, for days actually. Maybe almost a week. This is 17, more than 17 bars, guys. Okay, let's say exactly 23 because before we started having some rejections, guys. So whenever I see a breakout of the horizontal line, you just take a trade on the next candle. So that is how to trade breakout. I don't want the video to be too long, but I'm gonna take another example. Okay, you can look at here also. Let me just delete all this so we don't get dirty. Alright. Look at this place now. I just like to use a rectangle tool. Okay, perfect. Wow. Give me a minute to find that. Okay, exactly. You can see that this market now has been consolidating, going up and down in this box. So what do we do now? We're just gonna wait for a breakout. We're just gonna wait for. We're not gonna trade this market. Why? Because it's choppy. It's without a direction. We don't know if probably when we sell, the market is gonna break out in the upward direction, or probably when we buy, then we're gonna see the market breaking out in the downward direction. So we're just gonna wait for the market to break out, and we quickly follow the trend. All right, now you can see that this market has been choppy. What I mean is has been ranging actually. So what are we gonna do now? We're gonna wait for a breakout. We're gonna wait for a breakout. So seeing this candle now, you can see that this market actually broke out somewhere here. Where's my arrow? The market broke out here. The candle closed below the zone, meaning it's trying to break out. And if you check, you can see what actually looks like a reversal pattern. This candlesticks that form here, but that doesn't really happen all the time. So on seeing this candle that broke out, we're just gonna take a trade on the next candle here, guys. You can see that also the market spiked up a little, put you in some little loss, but your stop loss is supposed to be somewhere around here. If you can't really risk much, put it in the middle of the consolidation here. You understand? So the market, if actually you put your stop loss in the middle of the consolidation, the market almost hit your stop loss. It didn't take you up, and then it fell down for a long time, for almost 8, 4, 8, 12, almost 20 hours when you check all these guys. So you can see that is how to trade breakouts and consolidation. Everything that is just how to trade the ranging market when it breaks out. Alright, so if you like this video, you like what you're seeing, you like what I'm doing, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, share this video to family and friends, guys. And once again, I want to say I'm really grateful for your support and everything, for helping me reach 100 subscribers in less than a month. I'm really grateful, guys. And also, I forgot to also mention one of the offers. Apart from sharing the indicator on the YouTube channel, on my Telegram channel, sorry, apart from sharing it on my Telegram channel, my VIP services, what I mean is that my VIP, my mentorship, and everything, guys, I'm going to cut down the price. I'm going to cut down the price of everything. So you can just check my Telegram channel after this, subscribe to it. I'm going to send a message. I'm going to send a message, guys. After posting the question indicator, I'm going to cut down my VIP services, but that promo is only going to last for 24 hours. So make sure you don't miss it, guys. Have a lovely day, and Wesley is signing out.